It's an absolute delight to share with you this fun, playful and bright collection of Christmas decor that we have called Untitled Llama, a Christmas Fiesta. Inspired from the beautiful, bright South American homewares, this decor is perfect for those that are looking for something casual, relaxed, easy to put up and easy to put away. We believe that it's perfect for settings such as by the beach, at the pool, or even in a park. So let me show you just how we transformed this beautiful poolside cabana into a Christmas fiesta. So let's start our tour by introducing you to two of my favourite new friends, our Boy and Girl Llama stockings. I think we should call them Larry and Larissa Llama. What do you think? We absolutely love these little fellas. The detailed appliqued design is amazing. We loved it so much we created a matching cushion so that you can draw this fun design into your lounge or any chair in your home. And don't forget, like all our stockings, you can have them personalised with any name you like. Just hop onto our website for details. The stockings are hung with our plain chrome stocking hangers, and then we've simply added a llama ornament to carry the theme onto the top of the sideboard. We've dressed the top of the sideboard with a rich antique gold metal Christmas tree and nestled two llama ornaments below. We've then included a couple of glittery Christmas trees to complete this gorgeous vignette. Our Christmas Fiesta wreath has at its base a plain Christmas wreath. This is our majestic pine wreath. We've then added pom-poms and ribbon and our fabulous personalised plaque in rainbow glitter. Our personalised plaques are so versatile. You can hang them in the middle of a wreath like this, hang them from a door or simply on a wall. We've also added some real personality to an otherwise plain garland by incorporating personalised Christmas baubles. What a wonderful way to make everyone at your fiesta feel welcome. Above the garland, we've hung the poster we've designed for the Christmas Fiesta collection. It's just adorable. And like all our posters, you can download the art from our website for free. Be sure to check out the link below. Now on to one of the most important parts of any fiesta, the dining table. Simply throw down a colourful tablecloth or perhaps a towel, pull up some cushions and use all the colours of the rainbow to set your table. We've incorporated an 8cm shatterproof personalised Christmas bauble as part of our place setting, as well as one of our abracadabra magic bonbons. The centrepiece of just two glittery Christmas trees is all that is needed on the table to provide some variation in height. However, we've taken the table up a notch, quite literally, by creating a canopy above it using pom-pom garlands and chrome seed lights. Finally, we've hung some simple honeycomb paper decorations to draw the eye to the centre of the table and add a real fiesta feel. For this collection, we've chosen a pair of white paper twig trees and brought them to life with a few simple tree decorations, including felt stars, hearts and baubles, as well as pom-poms, tassels and these cute wooden llamas. We carried the fiesta into our present wrapping by trimming them with lots of bright satin ribbons. We had so much fun adding a touch of fiesta to our Christmas decor using pom-poms and tassels. Our pair of cute plush sitting and standing llamas look so comfortable sitting among the trimmed baskets with their cute little pom-pom beanies ready for the party to start. Now for those of you that don't know how to make a tassel like me, be sure to visit the Make and Create section of our website and watch me learn how to make tassels and share how you can use them in your decor. It's fun, easy and yet super affordable. Untitled Llama, a Christmas Fiesta, reminds us of the global village in which we all live and allows us to embrace another culture in a fun and playful way at Christmas time. We hope that you've enjoyed how we've showcased this collection and that it might inspire your Christmas decorating. Don't forget to check out the link below for our free Christmas artwork poster that you can download from our website. And be sure to check out our other social media channels because we'd love to stay connected with you and see how you might decorate your home this Christmas.